G'day, it's Glenn here from Your Next Car In Officer. What I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2018 Mazda BT-50 in an XT 4x4 automatic dual cab. Vehicle's just been traded, detail has just been done and ready for the road with it to be completed. But as you'll see from the video as we walk around, the car presents really well. So starting from the front of the vehicle, up to your driver's guard, really clean condition. It does have the Yokohama all-terrains fitted on it also as well, so really good quality tyres. Does have an ARB Steel bull bar fitted with the Lightforce lights fitted to the front also as well. Really good quality bull bar, really good quality lights, and presents really well. A couple of minor marks on the bull bar just here, but nothing major for that age of car with those Ks. But as you see, paintwork presents really well. Tyre condition's fantastic. Alloy wheels in good order. Does have side steps fitted to it also as well, which are in great condition. And then continuing along the paintwork, actually I might even flip my camera around, we'll come back this way just to show you the paintwork on that passenger side area. Passenger side door, again, really clean condition. No major marks or scratches on that one there also. Coming to the back end of the rear door on the passenger side again, really clean condition, paint related. Really nice truck, this one. And then coming back to your tub area on the passenger side, again, condition of that paintwork is in great order. No damage that I can physically see. Again, your Yokohamas on the rear, plenty of tread lifts on those tyres, alloy wheels in good order. Does have a soft tonneau cover fitted to the back end of the vehicle also as well, and also your tow bar fitted, which looks like a genuine tow bar. To open your tailgate, again, just one lever, and you can take you through the tub area. Sorry, it's a bit glary today, but does have the tub liner fitted also as well. And then coming back up to behind your tailgate for your tub liner section, really clean condition. Looks like a fire extinguisher holder there on the left hand side as well, so that's in there for your benefit. We'll shut that tailgate again just to show you the tailgate area, really clean condition. So we've got the car running in the video just so you can hear it running in the video also, but does drive very well. Photos have just gone up on the website also, and fantastic service history as well, which you'll see all the photos on our website just to show you a really good service history this vehicle has as well. Coming to your rear tyre, again, your Yokohama's fitted again, tyre condition is fantastic. And then coming along your paint section on your driver's side doors, really clean throughout. Again, your side steps are in good order. Coming up to your driver's door, again, presents really well. Really clean condition. Good truck, again, being a 4x4 automatic. Really great value for money. Your door card on your driver's side does have rubber floor mats fitted also, which you may or may not see in that video there, but it does have the rubber floor mats. And just to show you through the interior again, really clean condition, no major stains or tears in the carpet interior or behind your seats. Over to your door card on your passenger side, and then back with your seating as well. Really clean condition of that interior. Nice and clean. We'll jump on the driver's door, open the driver's door up. I'll turn that volume down on the stereo system so I don't hear the radio as I'm talking. But again, driver's door card. Again, your rubber floor mats and your seating. So no tears in the carpet interior, really clean throughout. Over to your passenger seat, again, really clean condition. And then coming down throughout is your transmission cluster, your 4x4 dial, your handbrake, your steering wheel controls for your steering wheel, so you've got your volume control and your Bluetooth buttons on the left hand side, and your cruise control to the right hand side as well. So current kilometres a vehicle has travelled as we speak is 133,979, so really good Ks for this car of this age and quality, especially with all the goodies that's fitted to it as well. So if you have any questions moving forward in relation to this ute or anything else we have in stock, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at Your Next Car. Speak with Glenn or Andrew, we'll both be here to help you. But if you do have any other questions, please don't hesitate, come and see us here at Your Next Car In Officer. Otherwise, have a great day.